Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you know every time my video comes up. And I'm so glad everybody came to watch this. I am doing tonight the Variety Fun box. I've never seen this before. They reached out to me and they wanted to know if I would review their box on one of my videos. And I said, sure, why not? So I haven't opened it yet. It's got some tape down there. So we're all looking at this at the same time. So, get my scissors, right? I'm gonna cut it open. Oh, you guys don't see Choppy and Piper, they're on the couch. Oh, they're at the other end of the couch. You know, they have to hang out with Mama because they get kind of wound up. All right. So, I cut the, you know, the little tape thing that came. And so we're gonna open it. I am excited. And it says hashtag snacks. Wow. I am excited, you guys. And it says taste, enjoy, explore, follow us at, and then it's got other stuff. They sent me a little note and it says, hi, Deborah. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So I'll read that little note later, but this is really nice. All right, let's see. I had to check on Choppy and Piper. So let's see what we got. Popcorners. Have you guys ever seen these? I haven't seen these. Sweet and salty kettle corn. And it looks like little triangles. That's cool. Who doesn't like these? Ruffles, cheddar and cheese. Cheddar and sour cream. Oh my gosh, you guys, there is so much in this box. Oh my, I am like head over heels for this. We've got Cheetos, we've got Doritos Cool Ranch, Funyuns. Those used to be my favorite when I was growing up. Ooh, garden veggie straws. Nummy. Andy's hot fries. Pop chips potatoes barbecue. Oh, it's kind of like a more non-GMO, gluten-free, and 100 calories per bag. All right. Cheese doodles baked puff cheddar. I've never seen these before. Honey barbecued flavored potato chips. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is awesome. Oh my goodness. My super cookies, and it's an organic brand. And it says baked in a nut-free facility, 16 grams of whole grains per serving, made with quinoa and chia seeds. Huh. And it's called My Superfoods. Well, this one says My Super Cookies, but the brand is called My Superfoods. Ritz Bites, the cheese. Cheez-Its Original. Oh my God. Zoo Animal Crackers. Barbecue Lay Chips. Okay, you guys, look how much more I still have to go. This is like crazy, you guys. Grandma's oatmeal raisin cookies, Chex Mix, mini Chips Ahoy's. Oh, I love these. The original animal crackers with icing on them. Oh, you guys. Cheez-It Cheddars, mini Oreos. I mean, look at all the stuff I still have in my hand. Grandma's peanut butter cookies. Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping stuff. I am dropping stuff. And this brand is called the Pure Sweetness Baking Company chocolate chip cookie, made in a peanut-free facility. Keebler's bite-sized cookies with M&Ms. Woo! And here's another one of those Pure Sweetness baking companies. Vanilla wafer mini cookie. Ooh, that looks actually good. Okay, so that's all like the stuff in the bags. All right, now I got some more stuff at the bottom. We've got Planters peanuts, Mott's fruit flavored snacks. I've got Kellogg's Cocoa Crispy Treats chocolate, Nature Valley sweet and salty peanut butter granola bar. I love these little fruit snacks. I remember when my nieces and nephews, you know, you'd always want these in their little lunchbox. Ooh, 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 you guys, don't you love this? Have you guys tried these before? I love this. What flavor is this? This is the caramel one. You know, you can put this over your coffee or your cocoa and it warms it up. Ooh, it's a good treat. Love it, love it. Another Quaker Chewy chocolate chip granola bar. Another Nature Valley trail mix, and it's the fruit and nut. Woo, girls, I cannot stand it. What brand is this? Toast cheese, real spicy cheddar, little cheese and crackers, lemon cream from Lance. Ooh. Oh, they're lemon cream filled. And then Oreos. Another marshmallow treat from Kellogg's. And this is the chocolate drizzle one. Oh my gosh. Airheads. And another fruit roll-up. Okay. Now, there's not a sheet or anything in here. Let's go back to this variety card that I got. Let's see what it says. It just said it's from the Variety Fun team. So you guys, I did look these guys up online. They are a legit website. And this looks like one of the bigger boxes. I'm trying to see if there's... It says taste, explore, and try. There's not like an ounce size on this box. But this, if you look at it, it's a pretty good size box to try all those in. I believe when I looked it up, you can do subscriptions for like a month, every couple months, or whatever way you'd like to do it. But there's different sizes of subscriptions for these. You guys, I am nuts. This is crazy. Look at all this. Like, I'm trying to put it back. I hope one of the dogs didn't grab the bag. You guys, I'm going to try to put all this back. They had it packaged so pretty. I thought it was just like a few things. Look at this box is full. I don't even have it all in yet. I'm going to put it all in now so you can see. Look at this is all the stuff that was in there. Now, a lot of the stuff I know. I don't know all of this stuff. Oh, I don't even know what to try. Okay, I'm gonna try something sweet. I'm gonna try these vanilla wafers from the Pure Sweetness Baking Company. Made in a peanut-free facility. I gotta try this. Oh, they're just little bitty cookies. They smell good. It's soft. Oh my gosh, those are really good. Oh my gosh, these are good. It's 130 calories on the back of this bag. You guys, if you've never tried this subscription to Variety Fun, check it out. Go on their website, and I'm sure it's varietyfun.com. Go on their website and check it out. This is crazy, you guys. I have never seen anything like this. This is a huge box. You guys, thanks for coming to my channel and checking this out. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. And you guys, this was fun and it's great. Go check these guys out. This was wonderful. Until the next time, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
You pretend you're a god, I believe I'm a soldier. We play hide and seek till you draw. Love ain't